To the election, some shocking news regarding a top information and communications manager at the IEBC who has gone missing just days before the commission conducts a test run on its electronic systems. Chris Msando was to take part in the management of the crucial tests, but has not been seen since Friday, according to his family. And as Shadrach Miti reports, IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati has in a statement said the commission is working with the family and the police as the search for Msando is intensified.
The family of the missing IEBC ICT manager Chris Msando is now appealing to the police to expedite investigations into what could have happened. Speaking in Nairobi after meeting IEBC Chairman Wafula Chebukati, the family members expressed concerns about Msando's disappearance, saying the incident should not be treated lightly. Outside Nairobi West Hospital, Peter Msando, the elder brother to Chris Msando, led other family members on a search mission for their brother, who has been missing since last Friday.
He actually sent the wife an SMS that he was on his way to the house. That was about 1 o'clock? Then from the information we have from the police now, he left the town at about 1 a.m. Probably the car was spotted somewhere along Mombasa Road. That is about 1:30 to 2 o'clock in Embakasi. Then at about 2:45 a.m., the car was spotted along Thika Road.
Nairobi West Hospital is just one of the many areas they spend the day visiting, with hopes that they will find their own, even if not well.
It's a matter of concern to everybody. So what we have done now is that we have split into groups to try and locate if could be in the hospital somewhere. That's why I told you we were coming here to find out if at all maybe there's an unclaimed body or a person who came in drugged and does not know how he came to the hospital. Other groups have gone to Mata, others have gone to Nairobi Hospital, and so we are going to converge later on again and exchange the notes.
Chris Msando is one of the ICT managers at the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. His last public appearance was 2 days ago when he appeared on KTN News Weekly Current Affairs show, Dira ya Wiki.
Kulingana na sheria ambayo ilipitishwa mwaka huu 2017 na bunge, inasema kwamba nambari ya juu kabisa ambayo inaweza kuwa katika kituo ni watu 700.
But even as questions are raised about his status, IEBC has sought to assure both the public and his family members that every effort is being done to fully understand the circumstances surrounding his disappearance. In a statement, IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati says, the Commission wishes to notify the public that one of its ICT managers was last seen on Friday night. The last communication from him is an SMS text sent to one of his colleagues at 3 o'clock a.m. on Saturday morning. The matter has since been reported to the police, and the Commission with the family members are working together with the police to establish his whereabouts. Chris Msando's disappearance is not only agonizing to his family members, but could jeopardize the smooth preparation for the August general polls, where ICT is expected to play a bigger role. Msando was to play a leading role in Monday's test run of key equipment as the Commission moves to ensure a smooth general election on 8th August. Shadrach Miti, KTN News.
The Third Way Alliance President